Hi, draw ellipse by rectangle method. Take major axis 110 mm and minor axis 80 mm long. So first draw major axis and minor axis. Both are the perpendicular to each other. So this is the length of AB 110 mm. This is a major axis. And center point draw perpendicular is a minor axis 80 mm is the name of C or D. So find the center point is O. Next, all side covered by the square rectangle, all side D to B, B to C, C to A or A to D, all is covered by the rectangle. So this is a rectangle, red color is a rectangle. Next, draw one line from A to A point is a less than 90 degree or acute angle and divide number of parts. Total divide 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this arc is any radius as or base, any radius, and mark that 4 arc 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, give into names and last point to first join end of this, then parallel to each other. So give into number 1 and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. So here is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, another same procedure on this side. From A point is again is a less than 90 degree angle and divide equal 4 part this line also, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So next join first O to last point. So other is a parallel to each other. So give into numbers also. Next, join this point A dash to D dash, 2 dash to D dash, 3 dash to D and 4 dash to D is by the line. So another point from C point to 1, draw the one line and extend up to 1 dash line. So find the new point here. And same procedure for 2 and 3. So find another new point on 2 dash to D line, another point on 3 dash to D line. From the C to 3 is a line and extend up to 3 dash line. So this come to in form of curve. So this curve joined by the free hand up to D. Next, on each point 1, 2, 3 draw the parallel line to XY, each point 1, 2 and 3. And mark the distance, take distance from on this line to this point and cut arc of same direction here. So another new point. Next, same draw the line here from this point to line up to here and take radius from there to again is another point here. So take this is a radius and mark is another point. Similar procedure up to another point also. So again is a new 3 point this quadrant. So join by the D to B by the curve. Next, on this 3 points 1, 2, 3 draw the perpendicular line. Similar procedure. And this corner also, this block also draw the, what is the length of this? Cut arc on this direction. Same, another point, draw the line. Here to is the line and take this is the radius, from here to here is the radius, draw cut arc on a line. Similar procedure all 3 points. Next, this side is also how much length here to here and cut arc here. Same how much length is from here to here, cut arc here. Here to here is how much length and cut arc on this line. So 3 more lines. So another 3 points. So now is a join this point starting from A point curve up to D, next up to B, next up to C, next up to A. So finally your ellipse is completed. This curve joined by free hand properly and dark this line, dark this curve. So this is a this one is a ellipse.